I'm going to construct a line that is perpendicular to segment AB that passes through point P. Because P is on the segment, this one's a little bit more challenging. There's some extra steps we have to take first. So I know that I can create a perpendicular line by doing a perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to find what point between P and B, there's some point here that would be the same distance from P as the distance from A to P. So I'm going to figure out where that point is. So I'm going to measure from A to P in my geotool. And then I'm going to slide that over to point P and create an arc. So I'm going to call this point A prime, since A prime and A are now equidistant from point P. And I'm just going to kind of ignore the rest of this segment and point B. I don't really care about that anymore. Instead, I'm going to focus on this segment A prime, because P is now the midpoint of that segment. AP is the same length as PA prime. That means that if I do the perpendicular bisector of this segment, it will go through point P, since P is the midpoint. So I'm going to take my geotool, put the center on point A, and remember, when I do perpendicular bisector, I need to make sure that the pencil opening is more than halfway across the segment, so it needs to go past point B, and I'm going to make an arc above. I could make an arc below as well, like I do for my normal perpendicular bisector, but I already have point P and know it's going to go through there, so I really only need one set of intersecting arcs. So now I'm going to maintain that same distance, move my geotool over here so it's centered at A prime, and create another arc. So now I have these intersecting arcs, and my final step is to connect that intersection point through point P. And now I have constructed a line that is perpendicular to that original segment AB and that passes through point P.